Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy paneer. We will cover preparing the paneer, crafting a rich gravy, and then combining them for a delicious meal. You'll learn about essential ingredients and simple techniques to achieve a perfect texture and flavor. Get ready to create a wonderful dish that's sure to impress. First, let's prepare the paneer. Cut your paneer block into 1-inch cubes, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. Next, lightly pan-fry these cubes in a little oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown on all sides. To keep the paneer wonderfully soft, immediately transfer the fried pieces into a bowl of warm water while you prepare the gravy. Now for the heart of the dish, the gravy. Begin by sautéing finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic until they are fragrant and translucent. Then, introduce tomato puree and a blend of your favorite spices, cooking them down to develop a deep, rich flavor. Simmer this mixture, adding a little water as needed, until it thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gently add the prepared paneer cubes, drained from the warm water, into your simmering gravy. Stir in a touch of fresh cream or a smooth cashew paste for an extra layer of richness and a velvety texture. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious gravy paneer hot with naan, roti, or steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.